Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to offset in 3ds Max. So I'm going to be showing you the basics of offsets here in 3ds. So first up, go ahead and make your line. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and create a simple line right here. Maybe like that. Okay, or maybe like so. Now, once that's done, go ahead and click on the object. Okay, you can go ahead and go to selection tool and then go to modifier. Here we have the line. Click on this drop down and select spline. Okay. Now, as you can see here, we now have these points available. Now, all you'll do basically is just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the option for geometry. Click on this drop down and we have here outline. Okay. So make it active. Click on it. Now, when you go ahead and hover over the object, okay, click on it. As you can see here, our mouse pointer is now this box. So what you can do basically is just go ahead over to the parameter section and just drag it or click and drag. Okay. Now you have an offset. Okay. You can add in as many offset as you want. Or again, you can select the specific line, click and drag. All right. And you'll have the offset. That's basically it. Again, let's go back to spline right here. And under geometry, we have here outline. So make sure that it is selected, just like so. Now click, drag, and you'll have the parameters updating right here on the right panel. Okay. So if you're happy with it, for example, we have here at 0.555 meters. So just release it. And here you have it. So that is the basics of offsets here in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.